What up, guys? So today I'll be doing a slime video, but this time it's changing up a little bit. So if you guys keep on watching, then you'll know the switcheroo. So I have already prepared the activator. It's a borax and water activator. Well, yeah, activator. I have some clear glue. And guys, there's 2 gallons right there. They're not just for me. But I don't really want to tell you why. Because it's kind of like a family stuff. So I probably will vlog it. And if you guys are I will keep you guys updated. But if you keep on coming to my channel, then you guys will know and you will not miss out, because I will vlog it if I have the chance. I will ask my mom, can I? It depends on like the whole thing. If it's like a whole bunch of people, if we're even having it, I think it'll be on Saturday though. That's what I know so far. So this is good enough. So I'm just gonna pour it into my little bowl. This is where I will be keeping the slime in. So I'm putting that much in there so far. And I'm just gonna put the activator in here. So I'm just gonna pour it a little bit more. Okay, it's coming together.
No, you take that stuff from up under here. Take that stuff out from up under your camera. In the restroom, take the stuff from up under the camera. Up under the sink. Take all this stuff out and sit it on there.
So this is gonna turn out to be a clean out / slime video, because I think my sink is clogged. I have no idea why. So I'm just gonna put you guys right here. I'm just gonna take all this stuff out. This is probably a lot of hair stuff. Because mostly like some soap, whatever that is. I guess we get hair grew or something. I'm not even just gonna show it on camera. Like, honestly, I just take out everything in my sink. Under my sink. Okay, Mama, I took everything out. It's just like little dirty stuff in here. Okay. Ew. Stuff fell. Back to my slime. Gotta go back to it. Okay. Here we go. So I'm just gonna add some more. Starting to become slime. It's so sticky, I can tell. So just gonna. This is my first borax and water clay slime. So it's super fast. So like, but it looks like slime. Yeah. still like questioning, is it slime? I think I need to put a little bit more borax in there. That might be a little too much, but I just gotta do it. Should I start over? I think I should start over. Yeah, I need to start over. So all I do is just water in here. So, oh, I hate myself. So, wait. So guys, I'm back now. But okay, I just learned my lesson, so like now I just need to like tilt it over. Okay, I need to pull this out. So like I'm gonna pour it in this cinnamon cup. What the heck? I have to blend out for 1 cup, or if I have 1 cup of slime, okay, so just gonna mix the slime so I think it's clear enough. This one's actually kind of cracked, so I have it on me. Okay. So you see the fork? Yeah. It's still a little bit crunching in here. I want it to be fully mixed. So this is going to be this is going to be a sea slime. In the comment section right now, at the end of the video, what am I saying by sea? What am I mean by sea slime? Sea slime. Wait, I should tell you that because you guys are 8 minutes into the video and y'all deserve this. So sea slime is clay slime, but it's gonna be clear. So it's gonna be clay and some clear slime. I think I'm gonna make it pink. So, because I don't have a pink slime anymore. Because my pink slime went hard. But like, I know it wasn't gonna last forever. This is my dirty plate, so like, I need to clean this out. Like, ooh. Is that slime here? Okay, I don't know. But I'm just gonna pour it in here. Oh, it's warm. Okay, here we go. Okay, now let's see. Now it's turning into slime. Yay. Like seriously, I'm happy. Guys, you have to see this. Like, look, when I mix it, it's together, but like, I think it's so sticky. I'm still gonna mix it some more. don't mind my, I hope you guys see, cause look, when I go like this, it all comes onto the spoon, and then it makes that noise. Yeah, it's still sticky, I can tell. So just gonna put some more activator. And I have a little glitter because the container that I have it in still has a little bit of glitter in it. For my other slime that I had in here. Okay, that is super bubbly, like look. Need a little bit more. That's better than before. But I only added like a tiny bit. So like everything in this, like not just one spot of the slime, but you can just activator. This looks like a white glue slime. So freaking like. Okay, so yeah, I think it's slime now because it's like. Yeah, this is better than last time's. Don't mind the noise in the back. Our like sinks have, my sink is clogged, so they're working on my mom's room right now. So like. I only wear black. Your new girl looking ready. Short K step. Your new girl looking mad. I watched that show Living Maddie. Seemed good. That is so right. Ew. Guys. Ew. Like, you're not supposed to put a brush on your hands, but like, look at this. Like, I need to put some more activator into it. I don't know. Like, is that what it is? Like what the heck? Slime shouldn't be like this. Like look. Like my hands are such a mess. And then if I leave it on one hand for a long time, then it's gonna get sticky. See, like look, when I grab it, it sticks to my hand. Like, I don't want that to be my slime now. Okay, this is like one of my. Since I started, like, ever since I didn't have any glue, all of my black ones have been like trash. Like, no, they haven't been like, okay. It's a really good slime. I can admit it. It's a really good slime. Like at first, for a couple of minutes, it was not okay. Okay, see, So yeah, now it's good. So I will just be adding the clay in right now. Let's go, guys. Now I need to wipe down the camera. No. And oh well, my sunglasses. Yo, new girl looking at. Yo, new girl looking ready. Cause she only wears black, yo. Yeah, she be looking trashy. I think you can get this from like the dollar store. Oops. I haven't used this clay. I forgot we even had this though. Like honestly, forgot. I don't know. Guys, which one should I do? I already have a purple slime, so I can't do purple. I think I might want to do yellow. So just gonna grab the yellow block. Get the clay. What the heck? Why is this so hard? Oh, this is so hard. Like, look. Okay, so like now, I think I should use Model Magic clay. No. So I'm just gonna like spread that apart. So I'm gonna like sorry guys, the commercial came on. So now I'm just mixing in the clay. Now I will see you guys in my next video. So you guys are the annihilators, and I'm an annihilator, and I'm also a Naya. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to go down, and I dare you guys to hit that subscribe button with your tongue. Yeah, kind of gross. But I know you guys can do it because we are good. Okay, but I want this video to get 40, you know what, not 40, let's say 45 views. And I want this thing to get 50 likes on the video. So if you guys do it, then I will be vlogging Saturday. Depends on what goes out for the rest of the week. Because as you guys know, end of the school year is, for me, it's this Friday. And also people get out earlier because of the time. So, yeah guys, peace out.